G'day guys, how you going? Have you ever considered what free advice is really worth? I seem to come across a lot of people who are just obsessed to get a free quote because that's where they think they're going to save the money, you know? And it's, I don't know, is it right to make wise choices over free advice? I mean, would you go to a doctor or a lawyer or an accountant that gave you free advice, and would you take that on board and start implementing it? Okay, it's very important just to get people out that are going to give you sound advice, not just looking after their best interests. Okay, and this job here, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so on this hot water system, I got a call out saying water was pouring out of it. So the tank is rusted out. Okay, it's a 135 litre ream. It's about 15 years old or something. Now these hot water systems are designed maybe, I don't know, 40 years ago. Haven't changed much. Now the thing is, would you buy a phone or a car or anything like that that was designed 40 years ago? You just wouldn't. There's such better stuff on the market. Okay. But you can see the location of it. It looks like it was used to be installed here, and it looks like there's been an extension that's been put on later on. But the thing is, where this is now, it's illegal because it needs to be 500 from this external wall, and it's clearly below that. So even if I wanted to, I couldn't stick another hot water system just like that back in that location. Okay, it's illegal. So the only option I've really got is to put it on another wall, but you can see there's nowhere else to put it except maybe on this wall over here. Okay, so that would mean we'd have to extend the hot and cold water pipes even further around and move the kennel and install it up there. But is this the best location for the house? I know the gas is here and the water's here, and it's very easy for a plumber just to extend a bit of pipe work. It's easy in and out, you're off to the next one making more money. But the thing is, your hot water system needs to be next to the kitchen. You know, that's where the best location is, because if you just want to rinse a cup or a plate or something, you want water straight away, hot water straight away. We're in the shower. If you're going to have a shower, by the time you take your clothes off, mate, the water's going to be hot there anyway, so you don't mind waiting 30 to 40 seconds for the water to come through. So I said to the customer, how about we shift the location of the hot water system? It's a bit more work, and how about we don't use these storage ones? We'll get one of nice instantaneous, like a V16. That's what I've got in my place, 4 kids, works great. So ran it through with him, told him the reasons why, and offered him advice. Okay, and he agreed. So I'll show you over here. This is the where the hot water system where we propose to put it. Just sticking on that wall there, and we've got the hot and cold water from the sink here that we'll tap into. And now, so if when he needs to rinse a plate or something like that, he'll have hot water within 5 seconds or something right here at the sink. So better location, because that's what we're going to do today. But I'll keep you informed as I go along the day. And so yeah, stay tuned. All finished. You can see the hot water system behind me. It's got the new gas main coming up, new cold main, and new hot main straight to the kitchen sink. So be very efficient. You'll have hot water at the kitchen sink just about instantly. Now, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Like, you can ring around and get a great price for a 135 litre storage hot water system. But the trouble is, when the guy rocks out here with that hot water system on board and says to you, oh, in this location we can't put it because it's too close to a wall, it's illegal, then straight up you're up for more money that you didn't know about. And especially if you budgeted for $1,500, you think that's all it's going to be. Every time they have to, they might need a new valve, or you might need a temp valve or something that you didn't know about, and then the price goes. Even if you get a plumber out who comes out and give you a free quote and says, oh yeah, we have to move it, you might think, okay, well, it's going to cost $2,000, but are they going to give you the option of, hey, how about just rethink this thing completely? Let's move it to another location. I know it's a bit more work and maybe a little bit more money, but it's only another couple of $100 in this scenario. So now the guys here's got a great top of the range hot water system, very efficient, very safe, hardly needs any servicing, and it's not much more. We got rid of that storage. We've got it in a better location. So it's not always about getting the free quotes, because that's not where you make your money, because whatever happens, you're stuck with whatever decision you make. You're going to be stuck with this hot water system for the next 10 years, okay? And that free quote is going to mean nothing. What you want is good advice and plumbers that care about what you're doing and doing a good job and doing what's best for you, not just what's the easiest job. Hope that all makes sense, and I'll catch you later.